If you can do even one pull-up, you've got what it takes to master the back lever. Sounds crazy, right? But by the end of this video, I'll prove it to you. Captain Gaines is going to walk you through the exact 9 steps that take you from a simple pull-up to floating horizontally in midair like gravity doesn't exist. Every single step builds the next one. Skip one, you'll fail, follow them all, and you'll crush it. We'll start with something you already know, the pull-up. I'll show you the precise grip we'll use from start to finish. Hands slightly closer than shoulder width apart, chin over the bar, body straight, no swinging, no cheating. Your mission: 10 clean, controlled reps. Once you've nailed that, boom, you're ready for skin the cat. Asterisk. This is where the real challenge begins. Hang with straight arms, tuck your knees tight, and roll backward through your arms until you're on the other side, then come back. Keep your arms straight and your body tucked the whole time. Think of it like a backward somersault on the bar. Your shoulders are about to feel things they never have before. Welcome to calisthenics, where every move sounds harmless but burns like fire. Hit 5 smooth reps without jerking, and it's time to hold your first back lever, the tucked back lever. Asterisk. Get into that tucked position and hold it. Arms straight, core tight, knees to chest, your first taste of defying gravity. Don't let your hips drop. You should feel like a human cannonball hanging under the bar. Your elbows will scream, your lats will burn, but that's how you know it's working. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, it'll feel like forever, but that's the grind. Once you can do that, you're moving to the straddle movements. Asterisk. From your tucked position, slowly open your legs wide into a straddle. Control is everything. Open, pause, close. No dropping your hips, no losing your line. 8 smooth transitions. When that's easy, you're ready for the advanced tuck. Knees no longer to your chest, but at 90 degrees. Longer lever, harder hold, more power. Your abs will cramp, your shoulders will shake. This is the real deal. Strength and mobility meet here. Quick note, some days, this will feel impossible. That's your sleep talking. Your muscles adapt during deep rest, not reps. That's why Captain Gaines partners with Manta Sleep. Total blackout, zero pressure, maximum recovery. Because better sleep means faster gains. Now, advanced tuck mastered. It's time for straddle negatives. From the tuck, extend your legs out slowly, fighting gravity inch by inch. Take 5 full seconds to lower. Every second counts. 6 reps minimum. This is where your core learns to control chaos. Then comes the straddle hold, body horizontal, legs wide, arms locked. 10 seconds of pure bodyweight hell. You'll want to quit, but don't. Your strength is built in the burn. Now it's time for full back lever negatives. From your straddle, bring your legs together slowly into a straight line. Body flat, arms locked, total control. Lower slowly, 5 reps, each deliberate and clean. This is where everything you've worked for comes together. And finally, the full back lever. From your hang, roll through and hit that perfect horizontal line. Arms straight, legs together, body like a steel beam in the air. Every muscle engaged, lats, core, glutes, all firing at once. Hold it, even for a second, and you've done it. You've mastered one of the most powerful bodyweight feats there is. See, from one pull-up to a back lever, every single step matters. Each exercise teaches your body something new. You don't need to be superhuman, you just need the right roadmap and relentless consistency. Skip a step, and you'll get stuck. Follow the path, and you'll unlock strength you never thought possible. So, where are you right now? Find your level, own it, and climb to the next one. The back lever is waiting. Captain Gaines believes you can do it. Now it's time to prove it. Stop scrolling, grab that pull-up bar, and let's defy gravity together.